Ever wondered about the secret behind enhanced focus, improved cognitive function, and slowed aging process? Well, here's a clue. It's not magic. It's science. And the answer may just surprise you. It's called monatomic gold powder, also known as ormus. This superconductive mineral, often hidden in the molecular structure of plants and certain rich volcanic soil, is something of a marvel in the world of health and wellness. It's not just about physical health, though. This extraordinary substance also contributes to spiritual well-being, with many users reporting increased cellular rejuvenation and even the correction of DNA structures. So, what can ormus do for you? Picture a day with laser-sharp concentration, the ability to absorb information like a sponge, and the mental agility to juggle multiple tasks without breaking a sweat. That's the power of enhanced focus and improved cognitive function, two of the many benefits offered by ormus. But it doesn't stop there. Ormus also slows down the aging process. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't about chasing the fountain of youth, but rather embracing a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle. And let's not forget the spiritual aspect. Users of ormus often report a sense of spiritual growth and healing. It's about tapping into a different state of matter, one that promotes overall well-being. In summary, ormus is a superconductive mineral that enhances focus, improves cognitive function, slows the aging process, increases cellular rejuvenation, helps correct DNA structures, and encourages spiritual growth and healing. It's not a magic potion, but with all these benefits, it might just feel like one. So, whether you're a health enthusiast, a lifelong learner, or simply someone looking for a boost in their daily routine, the benefits of ormus are worth exploring. After all, who wouldn't want to unlock their full potential and embrace a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle?